chicken teriyaki. Yan, mag-marinate tayo. 2 tablespoon soy sauce. And then, yung ating garlic at luya. Para pang wala sa langsa. At 2 tablespoon na sugar. At 1 tablespoon pepper. At 2 tablespoon na nor liquid seasoning. Yan, i-marinate mo hanggang 1 hour. And then, ready to fry. Yan, pag na-fry na, gawa na tayo ng sauce. Ibuhos mo yung natitirang sauce sa marinade. Then, buhusan mo yung, lagyan mo ng 1 cup water, 2 tablespoon soy sauce, and 2 tablespoon sugar. And then, i-add mo yung ating sesame seeds at 1 tablespoon vinegar at magic syrup. Then, lagyan mo ng slurry para lumapot yung ating sauce. At, ibuhos mo na yung ating fried na chicken. At ready na.